So basically, I'm being a bit quiet because my cousin is also doing a roleplay, which is the same one. Also, if you guys didn't know, if you move this, there's a crumpet right here. Anyways, let's start. This roleplay is called The Secret Slime Shop. Okay, starting now. Part 1 of The Secret Slime Shop. Time to go. This is really risky to do this without Mom knowing, but it was her idea.
So, this is the tour.
Anyways, sorry if you hear some voices. Let me just ask her something. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sitting in a chair. Anyways.
Als ik kom ik als je thuis. Do you mind if I keep you in the roleplay?
Okay, anyways. Hey, pink elephant! Yay! Anyway. This is risky. I'm here. Hi. They're going to be coming in any moment, so go ahead and change. Sorry if you hear another voice. That's my cousin. And I'm just going to take the stuff off of her. Let's take the stove.